Templated emails are a thing of the past. If you're still sending templated emails, you're hurting your deliverability and email reputation. You're letting your competition stay in the lead, enjoy 10 times higher positive reply rates with little to no effort. If you're still slaving away for your leads, you're gonna wanna watch this, because I'm about to reveal how I upgraded my templated emails to skyrocket my reply rate, and how I replaced templated emails entirely with unique and personalized emails that I can write in minutes at scale. Now, we all know that templated emails are trash. I'm not gonna expand on that a lot, but here's why you shouldn't use templated emails. Simply put, it hurts deliverability because you're sending identical or very similar emails to a lot of different recipients. Even if you use pin tags, you're still sending templates. Email service providers like Gmail or Outlook may notice that it doesn't look like human behavior, because what kind of human would write 1,000 identical emails? So if you're writing templated emails, you're risking landing in the spam folder. If for some reason you still want to write templated emails, you better do it right. And to make sure you do it as best as you can, I suggest watching this video. But for those who are ready to level up from templated emails, listen to this. There are two types of emails that are better than templated emails. First, we have AI-powered templated emails. AI-powered templated emails still aren't the best option, but they are great for those who have a template that performs really well. For example, the one I shared in the video mentioned previously. I'll show you how to write AI-powered templated emails in a bit, and you'll never go back to plain templated emails. But before that, let me share the benefits of AI-powered templated emails. AI-powered templated emails help you save a lot of time and effort because they take care of personalizing emails with an icebreaker, meaning you no longer need to spend time doing research or coming up with quirky email openers. Everything is done for you and you're getting the best of both worlds. Great performance of your own template that you know works well, as well as enhancement with AI that also helps you save a lot of time and keep every email unique. I know, once you heard AI, you probably thought of those silly ChatGPT prompts that write a compliment based on your lead's company name. But no, I'm not talking about those silly AI-generated emails that look like Tinder pickup line generators. Instantly AI, sorry. I'm talking about AI that takes information about your product, combines it with information about your lead by taking a look at their website or LinkedIn profile, and only then does it write a personalized line, a sentence that's truly personalized and doesn't look like a custom variable. Now, doing this is relatively simple. Just edit your template in Salesforge sequence, click variables, and select icebreaker. That's it. Now your first sentence, or wherever you include the icebreaker, will be completely unique, written based on your lead's data. Little tip, I suggest ditching good manners and not saying hi. Instead of saying hello, replace it with the icebreaker. This way your prospect will see a personalized line in their email preview, which will increase open rate by a ton. Trust me. If you've done everything correctly, congratulations! You can enjoy a much higher deliverability, higher open and reply rate, and all of it while you're spending less time writing emails. You're now going head to head with your competition. It's time to take another step and be even better. You use AI to personalize the first line of your email with an icebreaker. Now we'll use AI to write our full email, all unique, with an icebreaker and personalized first line, a personalized offer that mentions pain point and cost of inaction, as well as a soft CTA that will get anyone to reply. And for that, of course, we'll again use Salesforge. Now, before we hop on a tutorial, let me just tell you how great it is. The reason fully AI-generated emails are so powerful is because, like I mentioned previously, Salesforge uses information about your product and combines it with information about your lead based on their website or LinkedIn profile. This way your email is personalized and unique, and that's what email service providers want to see. Emails that look like they're written by a human, not templated emails sent out by machines. Not only do unique emails reduce the risk of going to the spam folder, they also perform a lot better and get a lot more positive replies. That's because now your prospect reads an email they haven't seen before. That's not the case with templates, especially if you're using one you found online. Your prospect will notice the pattern, realize that it's a template and not reply to you at all. Unique AI-generated emails solve all of these problems. Increased deliverability, increased positive reply rate, and reduced time needed to write great and personalized emails. Here's how to abuse AI-generated emails to sign more clients. Go to Salesforge, of course, and make sure you have your product set up. This is very important because AI will use information from here to write an offer your prospect could not refuse. Do not use any marketing fluff words. If you need an example of what to write, simply hover over the question mark. Once you set it up, go to your sequences and navigate to the email builder. Click Generate with AI and you'll be asked to include a fallback template. This template is used in case you're missing any necessary data about your lead, like LinkedIn profile or website URL. Click Save Fallback and now you'll see all the settings you can change. First, decide whether you'd like to use website or LinkedIn profile data, or both, to write your emails. Then select the tone you'd like. It can be hilarious, polite, silly, playful. Choose one that represents your brand the best. Lastly, turn on dynamic languages. This option will translate your email to your recipient's native language, and that will increase your reply rate even more. That's it! You're ready to send hyper-personalized emails at scale and dominate cold email outreach. Now, if you want to keep getting better and better than your competition, I suggest taking a peep at this playlist. See ya!